This is my Google Calendar, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Google Calendar app for your meal planning. Now these are the dates as you can see on the home page available. Now how to make a meal plan with your Google Calendar. Firstly, create a calendar. Start a small create new calendar for the menus, calling it meal plan or sharing it with the people you want to do it. Now how you can simply set it up. To set up a Google Meal Planner calendar here, you can simply add in recipes. So you just have to add the recipes you want to have per day. Like on Monday, you want to have chicken. On Tuesday, you want to have eggs. So this is how you can classify the food you want to eat per day regarding the day. Now, the second thing is you can just evaluate your food, that the calories, the energy content, and any of the nutritional facts from the food. You can simply calculate it as per you want it. So just make it as required. Now, the last thing you do is simply set a meal plan with calendar here. When you're finished here, you simply have to paste it on the date or on the main calendar here in this video. Now, changing plans, there are some blank spots in the menu because they change their plans. It's really simple and easy to change a meal to another day just in your Google Calendars. So these are very small steps, and this is very easy to simply edit your Google Calendar in order to set it up as a meal calendar here. Now, these are the final steps. You can simply do it, repeating meals and many other things. I'm just showing you the technicalities you will need to create a meal planner calendar. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel.